Auto insurance is often taken for granted and treated almost as an afterthought. Drivers know that it is unlawful to operate a motor vehicle without proper insurance, but what about dealing with the claims process after an accident? When it comes to invoking policy coverage and accessing benefits after an accident, many drivers are not familiar with the procedure. It is important to understand that auto accidents are matters of liability, which means that the insurance company expects them to happen at some point. At a minimum, auto insurance policies protect drivers against claims arising from the damage they may cause to property when operating their vehicles and the injuries they may cause to others. When insured drivers get into accidents, it is very important that they remember the following points. 1. Prompt attention to injuries and to safety is the first priority. To this end, drivers should call law enforcement and first responders if the situation calls for it. The next phone call should be to loved ones, relatives or associates who can help. Calling up the insurance company should be the next step, but there are a few things to remember in this regard. 2. All drivers should take some time to understand what their policies cover and exclude when it comes to auto accidents. Coverage will vary depending on the type of policy, the state where it was issued and the location where the auto accident took place. Understanding policy coverage and exclusions will help drivers insofar as making the right decisions when it comes to contacting their insurance companies or auto accident attorney. To this end, drivers who are already represented by attorneys may want to think about contacting them before speaking with an insurance company representative. Smartphones and other mobile devices can come in very handy for drivers when they get into auto accidents. These devices have cameras as well as audio and video recorders that can clearly show details about the extent of damage and the overall road conditions at the time of the accident. In some cases, drivers can even take pictures of the documents they show to each other, such as insurance policies, license plates and driver's license. Additional insurance benefits may be available to drivers who have been involved in auto accidents through other policies or through their credit cards, and in some cases that benefits can be substantial. Attorneys who specialize in insurance claims and auto accidents can be very helpful in this regard. A very important aspect of auto insurance to remember is that accidents are matters of civil law, and that they can be very expensive to the parties involved. Depending on the type of coverage and the jurisdiction, drivers may be able to enhance the benefits they are entitled to when they pursue their cases in court with the help of legal counsel. To this end, it is important for drivers to write down all the expenses they incur as a result of auto accidents. These expenses should include medical bills, time lost from work, transportation costs, and more. For the most part, insurance companies will try to settle claims arising from auto accident in the most cost-efficient manner possible. Insurers keep considerable cash reserves to deal with auto accidents, but they will try to dispense as little as possible from those reserves. With adequate legal representation, drivers may be able to get fair compensation from the troubles caused by auto accidents. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.